Hello, how are you? I hope you are good. Today we discussed online business ideas. Before starting this video, this is my YouTube channel Sana Hashmi. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Now we start our topic online business ideas. Online business ideas. Are you looking for online business ideas to make extra income on the side? The internet offers a lot of opportunities to start a business or finding fulfilling careers. Next, why start an online business? Technology is often blamed for killing traditional business and jobs. However, at the same time, these new technologies and create tons of new jobs and business opportunities playing as using addition. Second one is we can teach others and make a career out of it. Selling online courses is another popular way to start and business ideas. To get started, see your guide on how to create an online course with WordPress. Fourth one is build an e-commerce store. Selling things online had never been easier. Anyone can easily create an online store in minutes and start selling products. These products can be physical goods or digital download like ebook, music, software and more. Five number is build a membership website. Membership website make money by selling subscriptions with access to premium content and community feature. Instead of relying or advertising revenue, you can allow user to directly support your website with paid membership. Six number is make a dropshipping website. Dropshipping combines affiliate marketing and e-commerce. Basically, you create an online store to sell other people's product for a commission. You will be running an online store without managing the inventory or shipping. Seventh one is make an online job board. Another way to make money online is by building a job hunt website. A job board website helps connect job seekers with employers for a small fee. You can charge a small fee for each job listing posted by employers, offer companies packages to post multiple listings, or charge job seekers to upload their CMS. There are plenty of job board plugins or WordPress allowing you efficiently run your own job board business. Eighth one is create micro job website. A micro job website allows you to make money by connecting employers to freelancers and contractors. This will enable you to make money based on the overall price of the job listed. Basically, you will be acting as a middleman between the employers and freelancers. Number 9 is become an SEO specialist. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Search engine optimization helps make websites owners get more visitors from search engine. It is a skill that requires continuous learning and keeping up with the latest trends. You can become an SEO consultant by running your own successful website or by getting certifications online. SEO is a very competitive industry and you will need to make the most out of the best SEO tools available on the market. Number 10 is make a food or recipe blog. Food and recipe blogs and a lucrative blogging is a great online business opportunity. To get started, see your step-by-step guide on creating a food blog and making money from your recipes.